this is how I charge the flashlight. I don't have a charger for it, and it's so expensive. It's almost $60, $50 or so. And so I kind of own method to charge this flashlight, and it's so easy. I'll show you. So first you need the this power supply, and this one is, let's see, almost matching the original power supply. It is so the input and the output, a 12 volt 2.0 amps, which is pretty much almost the same they selling on eBay, Amazon. This is, they sell it for like almost about maybe $20, $25, and I found this one on the basement scrap and so on. So, and since I don't have the charger for this flashlight, as you see, so I made my own way, and it's so simple. As you see here, I'm using this. First, let's start from here. All you need, just wire like this one and this one. If you have those clamps, that's fine. If not, just wrap them around this two wires here. This is on the left side. Here's the flashlight, and you see on the left side, this is the positive. On the right side, negative. They don't say like here which is negative, but you need a multimeter, like any multimeter, and the multimeter will tell you right away which is positive and negative. It's important to have the negative on negative, positive on positive, negative on negative. And just using this is the wire for the charger, and the clamp like this one. Just clamp it here, just like that. Another clamp, and those two wires goes here, just like that. See, very simple, but it's charging really well. Okay, and yeah, that saves me about $70 buying this ridiculous small wall charger for this flashlight. I'll put link description about the charger, and this flashlight is so expensive. I don't know why, but yeah, that's basically it. And to test the like if it's charging or not, all you need simply like any multimeter. It is 3, 4, and it's charging. Very simple. And probably in the next few days or so, when I get time, I'll make a charger myself. It's so simple to use. I just need to find a piece of wood and, you know, some screws and so on. With this, use this same one power supply and make it work. So thank you very much for watching. All the best. Hope to see you next video.